A seafood boil, but with chicken? Count me in, shawty. I'm gonna show you how to make it all in this bag right here. Now we all know, no seafood boil, or in this case, bird boil, is complete without all the essentials. I'm talking potatoes, corn, onion, garlic, andouille sausage, and those boiled eggs. Once all your ingredients are sliced up, go ahead and grab a big old bowl and dump everybody in the pool. Now it's time for that flavor. Melt 1 stick of butter and then add this seasoning right here, the Delta Dust. The flavor is like Papados in a bottle, so you already know. You can grab the seasoning from UncleDibbz.com. Pour that butter mixture all over your food. Give everything a nice mix and set it to the side. Now grab that chicken. Melt another stick of butter, and then for flavor, I'm coming with that Dirty Bird rub, 13 all-natural spices to make this bird bussin'. You can get that also from UncleDibbz.com. Mix it with your butter and slather it all over your chicken. Now we're gonna give this bird a BBL, Dr. Miami style. Go ahead and stuff that thing full of that corn, that sausage, and potatoes. Tie up them legs, because our bird's classy, not trashy. Then go ahead and get that bag, shawty. Add 1 tablespoon of flour to the bag, give it a nice shake, then add the rest of your fixings to that bag. Next, lay your chicken right on top, and then don't forget those eggs. Place 6 uncooked eggs all around your bird. They're gonna cook and boil right in the bag, y'all. Add your lemons to the bag, along with half a can of beer. Tie your bag nice and tight, and then grab a fork or a knife, and then poke 6 holes all around the bag. That's just gonna help with that air circulation. Throw this in the oven at 375 for an hour and a half, or until your bird is at 165. This is gonna have your whole house smelling something special, shawty, I'm telling you. Let the bag rest for 10 minutes, cut it open, and then get ready for a juicy surprise. Everything is cooked to perfection, shawty, and guess what? I don't even need a knife to cut this chicken, I'm using a spoon. Let me know what you're grabbing first from this boil. To get this full recipe, go to UncleDibbz.com or visit the link in my bio.
That's good, shorty.